All right, in this scenario, we have a base hit to the left field. There's a runner on second base. The cut situation is the third baseman. It's going to be the cut guy. So let me run the play here. As I stop it, you can see the third baseman is getting here to be the cut position that we need. Shortstop is making his way over to third base. The right fielder is getting in line to back up a throw from left field to second base. That could potentially happen. Okay. And we'll need to adjust on the play. So as the ball comes, the throw by the outfielder needs to be on a line ideally through the third baseman's head. That gives the third baseman a chance to cut or even fake cut to freeze the runner at first base that had the hit. We do not want him to advance to second base. The catcher is in charge of communicating here. He'll let us know if we need to cut the ball, cut to second. Potentially, you got to cut it. The runner stops and starts heading back to third. We may have a throw back to the third baseman with the shortstop covering. And now that we're in the bigger field, the pitcher needs to back up bases. So he is backing up home plate on this play. And that's the cut position with base hits on second base, or runner on second base and a base